Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. I have an announcement to make. Myself, Millie the Silent Crafter, and Grandma Joe on YouTube are doing a one-word collab. And what it is we will go live on our channels. One day it'll be my channel, one day it'll be Millie's channel, one day it'll be Grandma Joe's channel. I will have the schedule in the community tab as to who goes on what day and what time. Okay, now this will be fun for all. You join us, we have a word, and we will create something using that one word that we have chosen. So I hope you will join us all. All the Grandma Joe and Millie's channel will be listed down in the description box and also in the community tab and in the comment section. So I will say this in closing. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notified of when I upload new content. Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, stay safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.